Let's take a look at starter toolkits you can get for under $30. If you're heading off to college, moving into your first apartment, buying your first home, or maybe you're looking for a practical gift, don't spend $50 or $60 on a toolkit until you watch this video. I searched on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart looking for the best starter kit under $30. Some of these surprised me, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you which three I'd actually spend my own money on. Welcome back to 63 and Counting Toolbox. Around here, it's all about honest reviews, smart buying decisions, and getting the most value for your money. Now, before we start, these aren't contractor tool sets. You're not building a deck with them. They're designed for assembling furniture, hanging pictures, tightening cabinet hardware, opening packages, measuring, and handling those little repairs that always seem to pop up if you're outfitting a dorm room, apartment, condo, or your first house. One of these kits may be all you need. Let's get started. First up is the Bates Household Tool Kit from Amazon for just $9.99. For $10, this surprisingly complete. You get a hammer, adjustable wrench, pliers, tape measure, screwdrivers, a utility knife, and the basics neatly packed into a compact case. If your budget is extremely tight or you're sending a student off to college, it's hard to complain about what you get for the price. Next is the Anvil 18-piece Homeowner's tool set from Home Depot for only $14.88. This is where I think the value takes a big step forward. You're getting the tools most people actually use: a hammer, pliers, adjustable wrench, level, tape measure, scissors, and driver bits. I also like the fact that it comes in a tool bag instead of another bulky plastic case. For less than $15, this one really impressed me. The HyperTough 40-piece kit from Walmart comes in at $17.88. HyperTough has earned much better customer reviews over the past few years than many people realize. This kit gives you screwdrivers, bits, hex keys, soft grip handles, and a molded carrying case. If you expect to assemble furniture or tackle a few more do-it-yourself jobs, the extra few dollars may be worth spending. Lowe's offers the Project Source 142-piece homeowner tool set for $19.99. Don't get too caught up on the piece count because a lot of those pieces are bits and hardware. Even so, this is still a well-rounded kit with a level, utility knife, precision screwdrivers, scissors, and enough accessories for most everyday repairs. Also at $19.99 is the ProStormer 93-piece kit from Amazon. This one is marketed directly towards homeowners and college students. Like how everything has its own place in the case, and it even comes in several colors. It would make a great graduation, apartment, or housewarming gift. If you can stretch your budget just a little farther, the Kobalt 20-piece household tool kit from Lowe's is only $24.98. This may not have the biggest piece count, but Kobalt has built a solid reputation for quality. Sometimes fewer, better tools are worth more than a box full of extras you rarely use. If you plan on keeping a starter kit around for years, this one deserves a serious look. Finally, if you want the biggest kits in today's comparison, take a look at the Dowel 90-piece set from Amazon for $29.99 and the HyperTough 110-piece kit from Walmart for $29.88. Both include sockets, additional hand tools, and more accessories for someone who expects to be more than doing just basic household repairs. So here are my favorites. In third place goes to the HyperTough 40-piece kit. I think it offers a great balance between price and features. Second place goes to the Kobalt set. You're getting a trusted name brand at an excellent sale price. And my number one pick is still the Anvil Homeowner's tool set from Home Depot. At just $14.88, I think it's the best overall value in today's roundup. Now, if it were my money today, if I only had $10 to spend, I'd buy the Bates kit. If I had around $15, I'd buy the Anvil all day long. If I could stretch my budget to about $25, I'd probably buy the Kobalt and never look back. Those would be my recommendations. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which one would you buy, or is there another starter toolkit you've had good luck with? Let everyone know down in the comments. because your experience may help someone else make a better buying decision. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you enjoy honest tool reviews, tool deals, and do-it-yourself content, consider subscribing to 63 and Counting Toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, y'all take care.